My name is Judith and I am the responsible of communications at PAL Robotics.
Okay, so we have like some questions that all the class had before coming here. Some of them were already answered by the guys, but just a couple of more. What criteria do you use to select what type of robots you're going to be building here? Like, I know that one's for health, the other one's for something like, what do you choose? How do you choose which robots to make?
Well, it started as humanoids R&D, so the team only wanted to develop humanoid robots. But after this, in terms of being from an R&D team to a company, we had to find projects that could be that could have a future, so that could make an impact in society, and people would be interested in buying them and using them. That's why on one side we started realizing the problems that society would have, like becoming elderly or repetitive tasks that increase the possibilities of having arthrosis, for example, in industrial settings. And these are then we used the experience that we had in humanoids to find how could we use that in order to solve these kind of problems for things that aren't done, that could be an advantage for the whole world.
According to the Moore law, prices will eventually start dropping. When do you think we are reaching a point where these robots are affordable for regular people?
Well, if we go in the rhythms of nowadays, maybe 10 years or so. It depends on the investment and the intentions of the public governments to invest on this kind of research, like the European Union does, for example, with the EU projects. And then, basically it depends on making these have the certificates and prepare the technology to be ready for the real world. So for research efforts are important, and also the investment to test.
Well, also in technology nowadays, everything is like getting smaller, and we want to know like why these robots are like kind of big. Is there a specific reason?
The humanoids, all of them, yes. Basically because they are adapted to our real world, so they don't need a little environment to work. So maybe the humanoids are tall and they are not like mobile device, but maybe you in the future you will be able to, through a mobile device, control it and to order things to the robot. And the robot won't need any environment modification because it will be adapted as our body is adapted to our world, the world we have built for us. So the robot will be very easy to integrate them and to provide service in our environments.